I need your undivided attention for next few minutes to discuss about the batch, how we are going to start it, and what should be the focus or subject matter, or how you start the preparation for PNBSO. All the course link, everything is there in the description, and you know how to check everything. Explore about us, check us, join us if we are the best in the industry. And what should be your focus point? Where should you focus? You should focus on banking basics, in-depth subject matter of your stream, like credit, risk, or treasury. Your personality comes at the end when it is about banking exam, banking interviews. In banking interviews, you need to focus a lot. You need to focus a lot on your banking knowledge than personality. Personality comes second to your banking knowledge, right? Then comes the past exposure. Probably past exposure should be kept at the first stage or first phase, because they ask a lot of question regarding your past exposure. They take a decision whether to select you or not based on your past exposure. So keep it handy. Tell a lot about your past exposure. Tell good things and relevant things about your past exposure. This is going to work in your favor. And confidence, those who have qualified written, I know that they are enough confident, so they will definitely showcase their confidence level in the interviews. So I don't need to give a lecture on that, right? And remember, the list which is published in a random manner. So don't lose hope if you are last, or if you are last on the list. Remember, you are maybe your name is in the last, but you are not the least scorer, right? So, yes. So, what's in the batch we are going to cover? Mock interview with panelists. You know the level of our panelists, how they are how confident and what is their ability. Go and check some of mock interviews of previously added in your platform, in your Knowledgist platform, in YouTube or in the batch, in your students portal. So that level will continue. Only panelists with active exposure to taking interviews in PNB will be allowed to sit in our panel. You know that what exposure we are having. All that will not discuss internal things. Previous year interview questions already uploaded, and probable questions not already uploaded. Uploaded for up to bomb. So for PNB we will upload, but credit, risk, interview questions are there. Based on that, start preparing. Last year PNBSO will be uploaded by Friday, and required classes on banking, notes on banking, on subject matters of credit and risk will be assigned to you, because without knowledge you are not going to crack it. Okay, what is you should do by the time we start, or during the preparation period? You should cover recent banking developments, news, RBI circulars, credit and risk related concepts, both static concepts, professional concepts, and concepts that has happened recently, related to news, credit related things, recent developments in MSME sector, etc. In-depth banking knowledge, a list of previous year interview questions cover from application. We will assign you it by Saturday, and already there are few question bank, interview question bank is updated. We will give you. And last year 200 plus people have appeared from our platform to the final interview. So their interview questions are with us of PNB, which is held in 2021 March. So that question bank will be given to you. So prepare from that. And some concepts, some questions why you want to join PNB. Tell something about yourself. What is your achievement in previous organization? These kind of few basic questions we will tell you. The answer you need to prepare in your own language to sound confident. Clear? And in credit, these are few subjects I have outlined in last minute for you, but still I will tell it. But in a dedicated session we will tell you what are the credit questions they are going to ask, apart from the list of questions. Central government sponsored schemes, especially schemes in credit segment, like the PMEG scheme, employee guarantee scheme, etc. Credit guarantee schemes of both CGTMSE and NCGTC, mortgage and charge creation, NI Act, accounting terms, financial statement, WC assessment, working capital assessment, practical situation based questions, in what situation, what you are going to do, whether you will give him a loan or not. These kind of documents are there. What do you do after disbursing? What should be your next step? How will you reduce NPA, etc. In your portfolio? So these things will come. IBA norm on education loan, it's one of the favorite areas of question making in interviews. PSL, definitely one of the top most asked questions from PSL. NPA resolution, various acts related to credit, ratios, various acts means something related to Companies Act. Those who are related and surrounded by credit credit concepts. Okay, ratios you don't need to calculate, but you need to tell the formula. MSME and agree, it's going government's agenda, bank's agenda, packing credit, and some questions related to export credit will be asked. Apart from that, you need to cover banking questions, banking basics, banking questions. Basic banking means here basic professional banking, not the history of banking, when the RBI has started, when the private nationalization, privatization, etc. happened. All bullshit. They will not going to ask you. Complete professional banking questions. Clear? So see you with flying colors. I need your selection. Please maintain the record of your channel. You with selection. Thank you once again for joining us. Thank you for being with Knowledgist. Thank you for being with India's only dedicated banking lateral entry platform. Thank you. And yes, links are there in the description to join. Do join. Ping us. We'll start on Friday.